So this is how you do the graph. Okay, so you already put your data in the Excel spreadsheet here. Now the next thing you need to do is you have to go to charts, select an empty chart, and then you click select data, then you add in your data manually. So for the series name, we put total stress after this. So X value, you click the total stress values here. You just drag the numbers down, and then for Y values, you pick death. And you click OK. Oh wait, you have to put your total stress first. Then click OK, and then you add for pour water and the X value, and then again your depth value for the okay, got problem. Basically you just do the same thing. You drag the depth value again from that one to here, then you click OK. Then you add again for effective stress. X values is the effective stress, then Y values is the depth, and you click OK, and then you get your graph like this. Then you go to format axis, so this is for the x-axis, but we don't need to do the x-axis, so we go to the y-axis. So you click the y-axis, this one over here, then you click values in reverse order after you click the y-axis. That's how you get that. Okay, thank you. Bye.